Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we're actually going to be filming a driving alone for the first time. Because if you guys didn't know, I actually passed my driving test a couple of weeks ago now. If you guys haven't watched that video, go check it out because it's the one I did previous to this. But yeah, we're just going to go on a little drive. We're going to go through a drive-through today because I've never drove through a drive-through before. Just gonna drive around, have a chat, whatever. Let's switch to the GoPro and let's go. But before we get into the drive with me, I just want to say a big thank you to the sponsors of today's video, Cobra Electronics. I just wanted to quickly come on here and talk to you guys because if you didn't know, we're in 2022. So much new technology coming out literally 24/7. You just can't keep up. But what you can always guarantee is that Cobra Electronics will be up to date with the time, making sure the future of driver awareness is top tier. If you guys want a good dash cam, which I would fully recommend doing, definitely check out Cobra's range as they come with all the best features that you're going to need, such as real-time driving alerts, hands-free voice control, plus so many more things. The list is literally endless. Cobra Electronics has released the Cobra SC 200D dash cam, which is the one I've currently got in my car. Passed my driving test, so having a reliable, up-to-date dash cam is so important for me because as well as driving safe, I want to feel as safe as possible on the road because as you guys know, driving on the road is so unpredictable, and that's why the Cobra dash cam works so well, as it's specifically designed to offer the best protection to anything the road throws at you, so you can drive with peace of mind that you and your car are protected. The Cobra SC 200D dash cam has a front resolution of 1600p and a rear of 1080p. It's also got built-in Wi-Fi, GPS, as well as heads-up navigation and voice commands. Screen off, screen on. There's nothing this dash cam doesn't have. You can capture everything that happens in and around your vehicle, driving it or whether it's parked in a car park, so you can feel safe and guaranteed anything happens, Cobra Electronics have your back when you've got one of their dash cams in your car. If you guys do like the sound of Cobra, which I don't know why you wouldn't, they don't just do dash cams, they also do power inverters, jump starters and radar detectors. Like, there's literally so much on offer. Just check them out, guys. If you guys do want to check out Cobra, click the link in my description or go to the website eu.cobra.com to check out all of their stuff. But anyway, I want to say a big thank you to Cobra Electronics for sponsoring today's video, and go buy yourself a dash cam, guys. But yeah, back to the video. Anyway guys, we're on the road now. We're just driving to the nearest town, just drive, get some food because I am starving. I won't lie to you, I'm so hungry. When I was pulling out, I thought, oh, we're stuck behind a bus, but this bus is speedy. Like, I ain't stuck behind him. This is weird. Like, filming on my own is like driving is weird. Do you know what I mean? Like, it shouldn't be normal. Like, it shouldn't be a thing, but it is. But I don't really have a plan for this video. Or my only plan is to do nothing that Michael did in his first driving alone video. Because if you watch that video, he got absolutely slaughtered. Spoiler alert, guys. This is not actually my first time driving alone. I know the title says it, but I didn't think it was that smart to stick a camera up the first time I actually drove on my own, because I was slightly shitting myself. It is a little bit clickbait, but we're near enough the first time, alright? I'm so happy I passed my test though. Like, it's so weird how much you don't realise how much you can use a car for, how easy it is to, when I want to go anywhere, to just go, oh, I can just drive there. Like, it's just me and Sins, me and my little blue car just whipping around safely. Surprisingly, driving on my own, I haven't been as scared for it as I thought I would be. I really thought like I would pass my test and I wouldn't be able to drive on my own. I was like, I'm gonna need some like Michael in the car with me all the time for like however long. Someone commented it because I said like how it's so much more stressful when you're lessons and stuff than it is when you're driving on your own, and he commented it's because there's like the pressure, like you've got to get everything perfect for your liked going on drives, like with Michael driving and whatever. I always liked going on drives. But like, I also quite enjoy driving my own. I like taking my mum to work and picking my mum up and, you know, driving to my PT and stuff. And I don't know, maybe that'll wear off, like taking my mum to work, like enjoying it. At the moment I enjoy it, so she should fucking make the most of it. One day I'll be like, no, you can walk. To be fair to her and my dad did give me petrol money. Petrol's so expensive. I know this is not a new topic, like, but when I first got this car, it cost like 37. I just spat on my steering wheel. Sorry. It cost like £37 to fill up my whole tank. £37. I went down 2 bars in my car the other day, and it cost £35 to fill up 2 bars. So you're talking like £57, £60. Why have I got a Citroen C1 when it still costs £60 to fill up? I need a smart car. They've got to be like 30. Look at the, they're tiny. If they are not £30 to fill up, I would be having words with smart. I don't know if that's the brand of the car. That must be the brand of the car. Is that dumb? That's dumb, isn't it? I've caught up to the bus. Finally. Only took me 20 minutes. Oh, I just realised I'm gonna go to the driver and I'm gonna manually roll my windows down. That's embarrassing, isn't it? Sorry. Cindy must hate me sometimes, because sometimes I get to 30 miles per hour in first gear. I'm gonna go in the Costa drive-through. Why am I scared? I'm scared. This is embarrassing. I'm really scared.
Hi mate, take your order.
Hiya, can I get a cheese and ham toasty, please?
A cheese and ham toasty?
Yes, please.
Of course. Anything else?
And orange hot chocolate, please. That's it then, thank you.
Awesome, thank you very much.
Cheers, thank you. Cheers, thank you.
Toast will be about a minute.
Yeah, that's fine, don't worry. Cheers, thank you. Thank you. Park my car, I'm in the corner, sort of, we're running to the road, but I'm settled. I've got hot chocolate from Costa, cheese and ham toasty. I can vibe now, alright? I need this because I'm hungry and stressed. That's the thing, like, you pass your test, but you are still learning at the end of the day. Like, you've got to remember, like, you've got to do everything safely, but you've got to remember, like, people make mistakes. Like, you will make a mistake when you first pass. Like, everything on the road, every time you're on the road, you're going to learn something new. Do you know what I mean? Like, it's just a work in progress. Like, getting your confidence up to just go, I'm just going to fucking park here, like. I've got Rosita, she's just chilling. She's happy. She's actually probably looking at me like, where's my fucking toasty, mom? My next video is going to be a taking you on my test route. So I'm going to drive all around town and take you exactly where I went on my test. And tell you like where things went a little bit wrong, like where I got my mind, or where I think I got my mind. I can do the park I did, everything like. Oh shit. I just dropped cheese on my leggings. I got to wear these for work. Anyway, I'm going to eat my toasty, have some hot chocolate, and then I'll get back to you when we start driving. Okay. So we're just gonna start driving home now. I haven't got much battery left on my GoPro, so probably end it soon because I don't live far from here anyway. So, but yeah, let's go. I'm better now. I'm full. I'm ready. Driving's going well, I think. Like, I'm just trying to gain confidence. I drive, you know, I'm enjoying it. I think it's going well. But yeah, next video I'll be taking on my test route. So look forward to that one. I look forward to that one, even though it's my video. But anyway, guys, I am unfortunately going to end the video there because I am nearly home. So hopefully you guys did enjoy. If you've got a test coming up or you've just had a test, good luck and congrats, or yeah, just good luck for it if you've got one. But yeah, follow me on Instagram, guys, at @chl_.oe. Subscribe to my channel down below. and I'll see you, or we'll see you in my next video. Bye.